Good morning, Anne Arundel County, coming to you live from Animal Care and Control in beautiful downtown Millersville. We're starting in the critter room. We got lots of critters. We got a lot of guinea pigs. Guinea pigs make great first pets. They don't tend to bite like hamsters and other critters. We also have some bunnies. Some more bunnies over here. Can you turn around so we can see a pretty face? Good go. Hi. So all of our critters, we don't have an adoption fee for the critters. So just do your research and come adopt a fun little friend. All right, let's go into the cat room. We're going to head this way. We have a lot of animals. We are open today from 10 to 3. We're also open tomorrow from 10 to 3. We're normally not open on Sundays, but we are open a couple Sundays a month. So let's head to the cat room. We'll go through the dog gallery. And then, all right. We have Ralphina. This is Ralphina and Ralphie. That's Rusty. He's telling you all about it. Strawberry, ready for a new home. This is Divine down here. She was surrendered, about 2 years old. Crunchberries, ready to be adopted. Tiny little ladybug. This handsome guy right here is Black Cat. This is Pierre. And down here is Leah, one of our older felines at almost 12 years old. Okay, I'm coming. Johnny Star. Aloe Vera. And Mulberry is hiding underneath the Heidi hut. Shiver Me Timbers, ready for a new home. This one is a Slip and Slide. Bacon, egg, and cheese. Making everybody hungry for breakfast down there. This is Smoothie. Smoothie's got a lot of notes. She was in a foster home raising her babies. Her babies are all gone. They've all been adopted, but Smoothie hangs out. We got Adam down here. There's Adam. Oreo, also a mama cat. All the babies have homes, so it's her turn. And a Biscuit. There's Biscuit. All right. Yeah, I hear you, Rusty. Tell the whole world how much you want a home. All right. Hopefully my Wi-Fi sticks up for the dog gallery. It sometimes gets spotty, but we'll go on through. Reintroducing myself to all the animals. Charlie. Cheese it. Bandana's waiting to go outside. Sasha's outside. Suave is outside. Ryder. There's Ryder. Smiley's Iris. So we do have a lot of dogs in the gallery that are in foster homes, in other shelter rooms, also out for walks with the volunteers. But we do have our virtual dog gallery that's in the lobby. So we highly recommend taking a look at that because that's going to show you all of the dogs in our care. And it's updated all of the time. Okay, it looks like there's some protective custody ones. Billy Ray, did you come in with Smiley Cyrus? Oh, Bonsai. Hi. Oh, Howard. One day, honey. One day. Fried rice is on the other side. This is Rocco. Look up, Rocco. There you go. This is my shy guy. This is my shy guy. Shy guy? Hi. 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 Titan. There's Titan. Hachi. There's Hachi. Outside, in foster, and Elliot. Elliot. Come on. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. All right, let's head to another room. That's the dogs in our dog gallery. Again, please pay attention to the slideshow. It's also on our website at aacounty.org/pets because they are all on there. Some of them you won't see in the gallery. If you're looking for something in particular, just come on in and have a conversation with one of the volunteers. You'll find them. They're all in purple shirts, and they will be able to help you find what you're looking for. So we'll go to receiving and see if there's anything that came in overnight in case somebody's looking. That's the trash can I almost ran into. It's very quiet in here. Looks like we have a little kitten down here. These animals aren't checked in yet, so as soon as they get checked in, they'll go to different places. They will probably all have food names because everybody here is hungry all of the time. Meemaw's checked in. She's 15-ish, so it'd be great to find her a home. I do have a mama cat I need a foster home for. Those are babies. This one's name is Coco. It's hiding friends. Oh, I need a foster for this one. Oh, and I didn't even see you. So those look like there's some overnight kitties. I don't see any dogs back here. So that is a tour of 80% of our shelter. We'll say 70% of our shelter. So thank you everybody for watching the live this morning. We'll end in my office. I got a little scared dog they put in there. He's been hanging out in the window, which is funny. But Bailey came in as a stray, is a Maltese Yorkie type. See if we can see her. There she is. Looks like she got shaved at intake. She's super scared, which is why she landed in here. I hope everybody has a great day today. Please remember we're open tomorrow. Also remember, when you share these videos, it really helps get our animals seen and adopted. I hope everybody has a great Saturday.